guys, guess what's inside this egg? I know. If you're watching this listing, you know exactly what's inside here. But it's just the coolest thing ever to actually experience it. Because now you'll see that the seam is actually pretty good around here. Because the little scales actually line up nicely. And when you unscrew it like this, there's a little spiky guy in there. Yeah. Now the crazy thing about this 3D printed dragon is that as you handle it, it almost acts like a real snake because it's kind of supple like that. I myself have a 3D printer and I have this type of filament, and it is so cool because it is so iridescent, kind of like a cyberpunk. It almost reminds you of the Joker in Batman. And so, yeah, it's pretty incredible that they were able to print this all in one piece. And you can see each of the individual little spines, all the little hinges together. Look at his little feet. That's so cool. That's just wild. Yeah, and you can put it right back in. He just curls up right in there, and he goes to sleep. Look at that. Isn't that just incredible? Okay, good night, my little friend. I just bumped him. That's okay. He'll bite me later for revenge.